here's the advertising for the new Bear Grylls adventure at the NEC in Birmingham. Looks pretty good. Probably going to go check that out. Try and get it later this year, but if not, it'll be the start of next year. But yeah, be a good one. Good morning, we are back vlogging. It seems like I haven't done one of these in ages. We're back at the wonderful Alton Towers. It's a beautiful day, even though it's a little bit cloudy over there. But the weather's supposed to be fantastic. We've just been and picked up our premium passes. So yeah, that's all exciting stuff. And now we're heading into CBeebies Land for a bit of early ride time. Let's see what's going on. I was going to say it then. So one of the main reasons we've come today is obviously to enjoy a day at Alton Towers. But it's now September, so the Scarefest activity is going strong in the park now. So I've come to have a sneak peek, see if I can find anything, see if I can find any spoilers. All the mazes and that have been confirmed now. Project 42, they released a little bit of information yesterday, I believe. So I'm going to have a look up there, see if I can see anything. I probably still can't, but I'll have a little sneak around, see if I can find anything. And yeah, we'll see how subspecies are getting on and all the rest of them. So yeah, let's go. So we are near the entrance for Altonville Mine Tours, and as you can see, there's not a lot you can really see from here. Wasn't expecting there to be, but yeah, really glad this is coming back this year. I can't really see anything's changed. There's a wooden crate up there, but I don't know if that was there last time, I can't remember. But yeah, when you go through basically that bit just up there, just round the corner where you can't see, it's like you go through like a little archway tunnel thing. You can get some really cool photos of that. I got some pretty good ones last year, so I'm hoping to get some more this year. But yeah, I really like this part of the towers. It's like you don't normally get to come around here, and it's nice and airy. It's a really good place for a maze. So yeah, can't really see a lot else from that. Gonna go have a look at subspecies now. So as we can see, they've come on leaps and bounds with the theming. A little door open there. I don't really think I can see a lot. Whether it's just theming, probably. But yeah, it looks really good. They've stepped it up from last year. There's more here, theming wise. Is it a different sort of layout? I don't know. It looks pretty similar. You can't remember exactly, but it looks fairly similar. The bridge has been put in since the last time I was here. So they just had they didn't have any of it built last time I was here. So it's good to see that in. But yeah, subspecies is a good one. Good consistent maze. Definitely one of the strongest ones they've got, and it's one that seems to draw a lot of people in. There's a door open there. I don't think I'll be able to see a lot, but if anything, no, you can see a crate on the floor. No, it's boarded up. But yeah, it looks really good, really impressive. Yeah, definitely have a few run-throughs on that one. So again, there's nothing I can see up near the entrance of subspecies. A bit of fencing I think down there, but other than that there's not a lot I can really see. It's pretty well cordoned off, you can't really see a lot at all. Them little holes still looks like them monitors and that are there from last time. So other than that, oh, there's a monitor at the top of the stairs now, look. And a cone. And a barrel of some sort. They weren't there last time. But that is about all there is. They have moved the sign saying it's a building site, so I'm guessing that's where the entrance is going to be again. It's a good place to have it. My guesstimations with Project 42 is when we did the after hours extreme thing when subspecies was first out, it was like an escape room sort of thing. Which was really well. It was so amazing. I wish they brought it back, but they haven't, think that's what Project 42 is going to be leading a bit towards. It says you have to like solve the clues and stuff, and I think it'll be similar to that, which is good because that worked really well. Whether they'll be able to get the throughput on it, that's another thing. So I think that was like a 2-3 hour experience we had, so it was quite intense. It was really intense. You got thrown around everywhere. It was brilliant. But yeah, if they adopt that sort of thing, it will work well and it will be really good. It'll be a strong maze. A lot of people enjoy it. Hopefully people don't complain if it's too intense, but hey ho, you know what you're getting yourself into. So yeah, should be good. So this is the new accommodation coming for 2019, Stargazing pods, which yeah, it's an interesting concept. I don't think I've seen anything like this before. So yeah, it could work quite well. I don't know if you can have a quick look inside. No, it's locked. Can't even see anything inside that one. Yeah, I think you'll be able to come out and look at the stars. Oh, you can see inside this one. But yeah, I think it's a cheap alternative. It's a good idea. You know, it seems like it's got plenty of room. Nice big double bed at the back. Singles. I suppose it's just a bit like glamping, I suppose. Whether they'll come out at night and do like talks with the telescope or whatever, who knows? Is that actually working? Vaguely. I think it does actually. So yeah, Merlin, I approve of the Stargazing pods. I think it's a nice option for people to have. And yeah, if it doesn't take off, it doesn't. It's, you know, well done for giving it a try. But yeah, I'll stay in them, give it a go. And yeah, once they're up and open, we might just see if we can get in there fairly early and get a vlog up about it. So yeah, just look at the towers though, look how good they look. Stunning. Right, so now let's head over to the welcoming, because apparently construction has started on that. I've not seen it myself yet, so yeah, grab a little butcher's and see what we can see. So I've come to Dark Forest, see if I can see any little spoilers for when the Nox Infernus is coming back. But unfortunately I can't see anything, so yeah, it still is early days though. They don't need to set up a lot, just a couple of smoke machines, some strobes, some lights, that sort of thing. It's good to go. So I can't see any new wires or anything gone in or anything been put up. So fingers crossed there's still time yet. So Scarefest this year is shaping up to be a really good one. Yeah, I'm excited for this year. I feel like they've really pushed the boat out and they're just going to go all out, especially with the new maze, Project 42, which I've got really high hopes for. Subspecies is back, which is brilliant. Altonville Mine Tours, that's another really good one. Yeah, it's going to be a good lineup this year, and yeah, I'm excited. Definitely doing a couple of trips. So yeah, they're well underway with the developments on the welcoming. I can't tell if it's the same layout as before, because I can't really remember. I suppose we could look on the Sky Ride would say that, but it's not running today, so I don't know, I think it looks a little bit different, but I could be wrong, could be exactly the same. So a lot's happened since last time I went on it, but yeah, hopefully they've mixed it up a little bit, because I don't think it will work quite as well as it did last year, because it was all about Wicker Man and now Wicker Man's open, so yeah, hopefully they put some more actors in it and some more jump scares and stuff. But yeah, still definitely be doing it though. Can't really see a lot else though, unfortunately. So Project 42 is coming along. Looks like they put up some more fencing and stuff. Can't see any more theming from here. They have said the Phalanx is coming back, so that's what that logo is. But yeah, I can't really see a lot else, to be honest. Not a lot else I can see. That container wasn't there before, was it? Was it? Maybe. Maybe it was. Oh, there's a light down there.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Mobile phones and cameras are strictly forbidden whilst riding Nemesis. Failure to follow these instructions may result in your ejection from the resort.
So yeah, I
Thank
can't
you
really
for
see.
your cooperation.
There's nothing really being given away to me, to be honest. Got some lights up there now. So is that going to be part of the queue? It must be. Yeah, it's got to be part of the experience. Yeah, I think the queue line will be part of the experience, to be honest. Can't see. Doesn't really give me anything, to be honest. There's nothing I can see. I don't think the original queue line went around the back of the building, but there must be. Unless you come out sort of down this bottom bit and then turn around and go up the stairs. That could be a possibility, I suppose. Oh, curtains lifting up, but I can't see anything inside. Too dark. I see on the scaffold tag, it does say Alton Towers Nemesis Sub-Terra, so whether they're going to recall it that, who knows? Unless it's just because that's the location and I don't know, they could call it Nemesis Sub-Terra. Probably like Nemesis Sub-Terra something else, like subspecies, you know, with the added title on it. Could well be that. But yeah, it's exciting. Looking forward to it. Just a little tip for everybody. I've just been to the hotel to book our room for Scarefest at the end of October, and basically online it was about £400 it was going to cost for the night for 4 adults. I just went in there and he was like, oh no, you definitely will get it cheaper online than what you will in here. £237 for 4 adults for one night. That's crazy. That's over £150 saving. So yeah, for the cheapest, I know that last year we rang up and got it a bit cheaper than what we could online, but that is by far the cheapest way to get it. Just go in there when you're on park and book it there, because that's crazy how cheap that was. Even the guy booking it couldn't believe how cheap it was. He had to get the manager to check, and it was all legit, and it was exactly the same as what you'd get online. Yeah, just 150 quid less. So yes, if you want the cheapest price to stay in the Alton Towers Hotel, and that is the Alton Towers Hotel, not the Splash Landings, the actual main Alton Towers Hotel. Yeah, just go in there and book it in person. You save yourself a fortune. Even if you just drove up here for the day, just to book it, you save yourself that much money, so it's definitely worth it. In today's vlog, I have tried to keep it short and sweet. I've not thrown in any sort of B-roll or anything. If you prefer this style, please let me know in the comments below. If you don't, if you prefer it with something else to look at, with a bit of B-roll and stuff, with just like showing general stuff in between sort of me talking, please comment below and let me know that you prefer that as well, because depending on what you guys prefer to watch, you know, kind of goes on what content I'm going to make. So please let me know in the comments. Either way, I'm not fussed. I just thought I'd try something different, see if it works or not. So yeah, let me know, much appreciated.